Learn how to drink.
Okay.
Maggie, Louie. Enough.
Some cups.
Our friends? Your friend?
Ross?
I'm really thirsty.
Ooh, this is not a good idea. What happened?
You spilled it on yourself? You spilled it? You
Already?
spill it? Did you spill it?
This is Fran drunk.
Fran, that drunk.
Yes, it is.
What's the matter, Fran?
Denial is the first
Hold yours.
And look how full it
sign.
is.
Oh, here comes the boy.
This.
Wash your face for the camera. For the boy.
The hand.
There's the girls. There she is.
Watch Louie with their car.
You fucking stupid. There's Ashley.
Louie almost died.
Little Lou almost got nailed by the car. There's Holly
I have a
Wally.
little liquor on my foot. No, it's all over my lap. It's okay. Liz. It's a shower. Liz, I handed it to you so steadily. No, Liz.
Hey, come here.
What?
here.
A little more cranberry, a little less.
Come here.
No, we didn't put a lot.
We
We put a lot anytime. We all like drinks.
Nick, can you come here?
Oh,
Shut up, Si. Leave me alone.
Come here.
If you pour it in there,
Where'd
it's
you
gonna
go?
flammable. Is it?
Hey.
Look
Holly,
how
come.
flammable.
There's the boy.
Please, Nick, because I'm spilling the drink all over
Oh,
myself.
she can't leave me alone for 2 minutes. You hear this?
Yeah. You want me to throw this in the fire?
Stay.
See that fucking face?
How about that face? How about this finger?
I'll show you your mother's face.
Here. Nick, I just
I'm
spilled the drink
waving. I
all
don't even
over
know if I'm on.
Oh my god. I'm gonna bury you out here.
I'm gonna fucking nail you in the balls right now.
Hi, Pepe.
Say hello again. Hello.
Hey, Pepe. Cheers. Pepe.
I made a mess, guys.
It's on my
okay.
foot, sticky.
I have
Some
it all
vodka.
over me right now, just so you
Yeah,
know.
that bad boy. Hello, wash your face.
Yeah, talk about how do I like my orange juice? with a whole lot of vodka.
I like my cranberry.
I'll just drink some.
We need the
cards. Is that what we need?
I said
Some initiative?
initiative or incentive?
I don't know what I said.
Initiative. I think incentive, but whatever.
Oh, there you go. Now it's turning
Now it's fire.
You do the fire.
What'd you put in there?
Another
Vanilla stick?
A little bit of your mother.
Yeah, I made it blue.
Yeah, now
And
with the
green.
stick.
It should make it more blue.
Yeah. In Jersey, it was
It
cool.
was like straight blue.
Where I am, it looks really blue.
Look, you can see yourself.
Oh, hi. Hi, me. Cheers.
Cheers to me.
Cheers to me. That looks really cool. Oh god, these home videos that you're making, quite frightening, not gonna lie.
There's purple underneath the blue.
Holy shit. Holly, you do shit?
That's a pretty color.
Holly, want juice?
Hey, Nick, you want some?
What happened to
Have
Holly
a
drink
little
juice?
Nicholas
Special juice.
Pepe.
It'll lighten you up.
What?
Mm.
Like vodka. What should happen?
Just get drunk.
Can we try?